Presenting Realme Narzo 50i Prime smartphone. It also comes in hyper blue and mint green color. You can choose between 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage or 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage based on your need. Let us look at its 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 400 nits of brightness to make every ounce of the experience exciting. Designed with 8-megapixel back camera and 5-megapixel front camera to help you capture unforgettable moments in vivid and ultra-clear detail. The smartphone is powered by powerful Unisoc T612 processor for smooth day-to-day performance. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh long-lasting battery and 10 watts fast charging support. The box includes the smartphone, adapter, USB cable, SIM card tool and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.